Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix iOS 18.5 stuck on preparing to update. Software updates on iPhone and iPads involve three primary steps: downloading the update file, preparing the file for installation, and finally installing the actual iOS update. In rare instances, the process on your iPhone gets stuck at preparing updates. Significant time passes and it does not move further. If you are facing this problem while trying to get iOS 18.5, in this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is clear your iPhone storage. When encountering the frustrating issue of an iOS 18.5 update stuck on preparing to update, it is essential to have a systematic approach to resolving this problem. One effective solution involves clearing iPhone storage. For this, go to Settings and choose General and choose iPhone Storage. Here you can see the recommendation, so you can delete your recently deleted album, and also you can offload and delete any app you want. You just need to tap on an app and then you can offload the app or you can delete the app. You can delete multiple apps from here and you are done. And the next step is ensure Wi-Fi connectivity. Make sure that your iPhone is connected to a decent wireless network. While you can download an iOS update via mobile data, it is wiser, faster and much easier to update your iPhone over a Wi-Fi connection. For this, open the Settings app and choose Wi-Fi. You can tap the Wi-Fi name to join and choose a known network. And then open Safari or an app like YouTube and check whether the internet is working. And also ensure the iPhone is adequately charged above 20%. Connected to power, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. If the problem persists, resetting the network settings can be a potential solution. This issue often arises due to conflicting network configuration or faulty internet connectivity during the update process. By resetting the network settings, you eliminate any potential glitches in your network configuration that may be hindering the update process. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down and go to General option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, choose Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode. So enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings on your iPhone, and you are done. And the next step is delete the downloaded update file and re-download it. If the iOS 18.5 update you have downloaded is corrupted, luckily your iPhone will display the preparing to update status for a long time. To fix this, re-download the update. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on General and choose iPhone Storage. Next, scroll down and tap on Show All. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the update file. Tap on it and choose Delete Update. And then tap on Delete Update again to confirm. Now restart your iPhone and download the update again. And you are done. And the next step is force restart your iPhone. Even after downloading the latest update file, if your iPhone is stuck on preparing to update, you should hard reboot it. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. A slider will appear, so slide to power off, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iOS 18.5 stuck on preparing to update, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.